What's up guys, Clint Reuther here. Today we're going to check out a Harris 230 Sunliner. What's up guys, now we're inside the 230 Sunliner. Again, this is equipped with the beach tan interior. It looks really good. Matching flooring as well. Ski locker here for floor storage. Onto the helm. Large 7-inch Simrad for all your readings. Tachometer, depth, air and water temperature. Everything is on that screen. DTS throttle as well. RGB lighting throughout the boat. Cup holders light up. The flooring lights up with the choice of color that you like. JL audio throughout the boat. This is equipped with the SL Lounger layout. It does swivel back and forth and lays all the way flat. Onto the back of the boat. Great seating back here with safety railings. Designated fender holders right here. Along with these chains connected, you can ride back here legally. Ski tow bar rated up to 500 pounds. This is equipped with the 200 Mercury. If this is something that interests you and many others, come check us out in MarineMax Louisville, Texas. Thanks.